हमारी सब सेट है स्टार्ट है मैं सिंस आई cannot speak fluently but I can do this. I have not told anyone how it all started, but I have started it with saying it was something related to anger, but it is related to anger. So it started with nothing but with my hands and a hammer. So I used to have time, so I thought I should start doing something which which translates into a certain shape or into a creative form. The intensity to it was related to my anger, related to the expressions, the emotions that I had, and I thought, okay, I can channelize my thought process, my vision, my negative energies into something positive. Everybody look at garbage like a garbage. So when I look at metal garbage, I look at a block form of metal when I look at it. So I see shapes, and over the time I started to realize things. When I look at things, I connect with those things. I connect with forms, I connect with metal. The weight of this is like 450 kg, 500 kg. Internally it is built strong. The posture, the anatomy that you reflect on this piece, you can be the best judge. So it was a random thought. I created animals. It was just a feeling that I had, the anger that I had, the emotions that I had. Because over the time, I've learned to express, channelize my feelings, my emotions through my words. That is a concept. But I can sketch you right now. If you want, I can draw a sketch